Imagine a potential client visits your LinkedIn profile, has a look around, but because you've neglected it for the last 6 months, maybe 2 years, and it's not up to date and it doesn't speak to the real life credentials that you have, and then that prospective client leaves. Now, that scenario is likely to have taken place numerous times over the last few years without you even realizing. It could have cost you tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars of lost opportunities because people come to your LinkedIn profile to do their due diligence or their stalking, and yours just doesn't stack up. So they move to one of your competitors. Now, the sad thing is, as I said, you just never know how many times this has happened. So a neglected profile is a very, very costly mistake to be making with your LinkedIn. So please go ahead, read through it, see what people are seeing for the first time when they Google your name and your LinkedIn profile shows up first. So that's the first thing. You don't want it neglected. Second thing, I have spoken to hundreds of financial advisors and mortgage brokers this month, and one of the key things to realize is that social proof is a very big factor in engaging a high trust, relationship-based service professional like a broker or a financial advisor or an accountant or a lawyer. So what we need to be doing is making sure that your real life network, your clients, your friends, your business associates are reflected in your LinkedIn network. Because when people do come and stalk your site, let's assume it's up to date and not neglected, the second thing they're looking for, even if it's not consciously but subconsciously, they are looking for credibility indicators and safety, and the mutual connections that they have with you is going to increase the level of comfort and safety they have with you. So increase that by making sure that your real life network is reflected on your LinkedIn profile. And look, the third mistake that is costing you and your business money is the fact that your LinkedIn profile looks and sounds like a resume or a CV. Now, you are not looking for your next job. You are looking for clients. So as a business owner or as a professional services provider and trusted advisor, even if you are employed, you are looking for clients. You're looking for new people to help write loans for or to provide financial planning and wealth management for. So please reframe your LinkedIn profile so that it's client focused, not job focused. Now, to make this easier, I have released a custom GPT, a LinkedIn profile makeover GPT, which will guide you through the process. You can either start from scratch and tell it a bit about your business or your advisory role, or you can give it your existing profile and it will rewrite it and restructure it so that it fits my best practice recommended format. So look for that in the comments down below or the description down below. You can use that. That's absolutely free. I hope it helps. But let's just recap these mistakes. So the mistakes: your LinkedIn profile is likely neglected. If there's no social proof and it reads like a resume, it is costing you money and you won't even realize it. So please remedy that, folks. Let's spin that around so that your LinkedIn profile is up to date. Let's make it so that there is social proof, and let's make it client focused. And then you are standing out from everybody else on LinkedIn. You're in the top 1% of people that is proactively managing their LinkedIn profile and their network. And that is the starting point to make LinkedIn a revenue generation asset for you, your business, and your role. All right, my name's Adam Franco. I hope you found that useful. If you want more videos, click down below and subscribe to my channel. Cheers.